In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a quiz that scores and tags leads automatically. This simple process will save you time and energy while automating your lead generation and qualification. Whether you're using quizzes to gather information, qualify leads, or segment your audience, I'll break it down so you can get started quickly. First, you need to choose a platform that allows you to build quizzes easily. There are plenty of popular software tools out there, but after testing many of them, I'm recommending the software we'll be using today. It allows you to create quizzes that not only collect responses but also score and tag leads automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. Start by creating your quiz on the platform. The key here is to choose the right type of quiz, one that fits your goals. For lead scoring, I recommend a multiple choice format with clear, measurable answers. This way, you can assign different scores to each answer and automatically track where each lead stands in terms of their potential value. Next, when you're setting up your quiz, make sure to add scoring rules to each answer. For instance, for a health quiz, you might assign higher points to certain responses that indicate a more serious health condition. With the scoring in place, every lead that completes the quiz will automatically be tagged based on their answers. This brings us to the automatic tagging feature, which is crucial. Based on the score the lead gets, you can tag them with specific labels that you can later use to segment your audience. You could use tags like hot lead, cold lead, or interested in product A, depending on the score range they fall into. This automation saves you from manually reviewing responses and tagging leads by hand. The beauty of this system is that it not only makes your job easier, but also keeps your leads organized in a way that helps you target them more effectively with follow-up emails, offers, or ads. Now let's talk about how to trigger actions based on the results. Most quiz building platforms have automation options, so you can set up email sequences, custom offers, or notifications directly after a lead completes the quiz. For example, you can send them a personalized email based on their quiz results, or even offer a discount or download based on their score. As we wrap this up, here's the key takeaway. Building a quiz that scores and tags leads automatically isn't just about asking the right questions, it's about using the right software to automate scoring, tagging, and following up, which keeps you focused on closing deals, not manually handling leads. If you're ready to start, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below to follow along with this tutorial. To recap, choose the right quiz platform, add scoring rules to each answer, set up automatic lead tagging, and trigger actions based on quiz results. The automation here will make your lead management much more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.